Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down the remote, remove batteries and set them aside so you don't short anything. Use a small Phillips and a thin plastic pry tool. Metal can mar the plastic. Once done, inspect the back for rubber pads or labels. These often hide 1-2 screws. Pry pads gently and keep screws in a small tray so you don't lose them. You're doing this to safely separate the shell without stressing clips, which makes later reassembly simpler and prevents cracked plastic. You now unclip the case. Insert the pry tool at a seam and work around, applying even pressure to release clips. Rush causes broken tabs. Once the halves loosen, support the printed circuit board with one hand and lift the top gently so flex cables don't strain. If a ribbon cable connects the board to the front panel, unlock the ZIF connector by flipping its latch. Then slide the ribbon out. Make sure to note orientation of any contact strips. This makes reinstalling buttons and contacts straightforward. You finish by inspecting and cleaning. Check silicone button pads and metal domes for corrosion or tears. Replace components if they're damaged. Use 70-90% isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free swab to remove oils and grime from contact surfaces. Let dry. Reconnect any ribbon cables and fit the PCB into the bottom shell, then snap the top on and reinstall screws. Make sure to test the remote with batteries before snapping everything tight. If buttons still fail, check dome alignment and cleaning. Misalignment is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.